Supreme Court Judge Justice B.V. Nagarathna has called for an immediate and structured system to provide legal assistance to women following incidents requiring legal intervention. Speaking at the South Zone Regional Conference on Justice for Women, she said legal aid must be readily accessible through police stations, primary health centers, and government hospitals, with effective coordination among state legal services authorities and other agencies. Justice Nagarathna, chairperson of the Supreme Court Legal Services Committee, said 414,795 women availed legal aid between April 2025 and March 2026, according to National Legal Services Authority data. She stressed that the success of legal aid programs should be judged not by the number of beneficiaries, but by the actual outcomes and justice delivered. She also called for paralegal volunteers to be available at short notice. Justice Nagarathna also expressed concern over the Karnataka Civil Courts Amendment Act 2023 and Karnataka High Court Amendment Act 2023, saying the changes had denuded the High Court's jurisdiction over regular first appeals. Her remarks highlighted the urgent need for faster legal assistance for women and stronger access to justice, while also raising questions over changes affecting the High Court's appellate powers.
My suggestion is that legal aid must be provided immediately after the incident, either in the police stations or in the hospitals. There must be a more structured framework which must be established so that the synergies between the state legal services authorities right up to the taluk level and the primary health centers, government hospitals in villages and police stations are there. I need not take the time of this August gathering to speak about legal aid defense counsel system, but I must say that a study must be conducted on the efficacy of the legal aid extended in the form of outcomes rather than just the number of beneficiaries who have received legal aid. Paralegal volunteers must be available in a short notice so that there can be a quick remedy given to them. As the chairperson of the Supreme Court Legal Services Committee, my suggestion is that as and when cases are decided by the High Court through legal aid, a communication is sent to the Supreme Court Legal Services Committee so that in case any of the losing parties wishes to approach the Supreme Court, there is always an advance information. This is in order to avoid the delay in approaching the Supreme Court.